so it will I will directly be able to upload it. So we will need some levels, approximately. If 3 and 7, we may need like maybe 7 or 8 levels. And these are walls, normal walls. We do have some floors, some um, railings, some human figures, and also we do have little things in here. We will talk about it today. I think I'm not going to talk about generic models and these things. We may make it as normal columns. So the first thing, I assumed that this is the width of this one is maybe 3 meters. So I will go to Revit, start a new architectural template. Please, guys, now focus with me. Okay, so I may make it, and you directly could start modeling it, or if you want, you could directly go home and then start modeling. So I will just change the units into centimeter. There is something called reference planes. Reference planes, you could use them just to help you as reference line. Okay, so RP is the reference plane. Okay, so as you see, they are in somehow, now you can consider it as just lines. So I could directly just draw a little line and then copy it 3 meter. These are the 3 meter now. Let me just make sure that yes, it's centimeter. Or you could even make it maybe 350 if you want. It's fine. So go to one of the elevations and then maybe just select this one. Let me see the height of each one. The height is 3 meter, I think, or 320, maybe 350. So click on this one, AR for array, until the last one. Okay, maybe make 5, another 5. Sorry, let's AR second, it should be, not last. And then from this point to this point, and then make 5. So now we do have another total. I think we need one more. Let me just click on, instead of 5, you make 7, make it 7, it's fine. And then go to this one, click on it and delete. So select all and any group at the beginning. Go to level 1, go to view, go to plan views, floor, and then all of them, and say yes. Now we can see them here. And create a wall, WA for walls. On this wall, I will just create 2 walls, normal walls. Let me see. Approximately is maybe 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 meter. And then CC until this point. Somehow. Go to 3D. All of them until level maybe 7. It should be even bigger than 8 meter. So maybe I could just directly make it as something like this. Okay. Yes. So now the trick, only after 3 levels, we do have this little arc in here. So I will just open our 4th floor and create a normal wall, CCS, or create similar. As you see, guys, in here, this one is 90 degree and this one is 90. Okay, just focus on these angles. These are 90 degrees. So I will just let me just see. Okay, from 3 until 1, 2, 3, another 3. So from 3 until maybe 7. Create something like this. and then 90 degree, and then 90 degree, and then going back. So let me select all these three, make it from level 3 until level 6. So that's more correct. Okay, now this one, what we need to do is select this wall, make sure it's until level 3 at the beginning, and select it again, copy, paste, align to selected level until level 3. So now we do have a copy, right? And this copy is actually not connected with the one under it. So make sure that from level 3 until level 7, the same, or 6, like this. Go to your level 3. Now click on CS or create wall and click on fillet arc. From this one, fillet arc, this one and that one, zoom in. Let me just fillet arc, this one and that one, and create a little arc like this. You see how it became? So now I will select this one and copy and paste to selected level until level 6. Now just this one from level 6 until level 7, maybe. Yes. So it's not hard actually. Very simple thing. So the same thing you could do it in this side. Okay? So let's say I will just do this side now. So floors. We need some floors. Let me go to level 1 and then floor, go to architecture tab, from floors, click on rectangle one, from here until, okay, let's make it like this, and then say yes, go to 3D, select it, copy, paste, align to selected level from 3 until 7 and say yes. Yes. So level 1 again, yes, close the door please. Close it. So now I will, okay, yes, now I will go to level, guys, no need to open your laptops now, it's okay. So I will go to my level 1 again, not level 1 because we don't have a railing on level 1. So I will go to level 2 and create a little railing from here, just one line, something like this, and say okay. Go to 3D. We could change the type of this one. Instead of 1000, maybe pipes, yes. And the same idea, copy, paste, align to selected level 3 until 6 and say okay. So now we have to actually make these windows. So these windows, if I click on WN for window, let's say I want to edit the dimension of this window and to make it maybe 120 by 120, 150, 150. Let's try 150, 150, 120, and 120. And click one like this. Yes, this is it. So what I will do, select it and then create similar, or you could array, maybe create similar, or CC, maybe like this. Look, I will do something now. I will click. You can see this, guys, dimension between the windows are not exactly similar to each other. So I will click on DI, click on, there is a little line appear, right? So click on it, middle, 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 yes, yes, come on. So after creating this one, I will just click outside, and there is little thing appear in here, EQ, can you see it? So click on it, Revit will make all the dimension equal to each other. So delete this one, he will tell you a message, just say yes, yes, no need to open your laptop, it's okay, just keep it, yeah. So now I will select all of them, sorry, select them, and now copy, paste, align to selected level, go to level 2. Now there is little problem, maybe you could say, with the level 3 and 4. So for 3, let's just go to copy, or before copying it, this one is level 6. So bring this, copy, paste, align to selected level, and then put it as level 6. So we can see the copy in here. Now for only these two windows, let's try to make them in level 3. So yeah, it works. Okay, let's complete as level 5 and 6. And 6, and say yes. Sorry. 4 and 5. Align to selected level 4 and 5, and say yes. Now only for this arc I will go to level 3, create CS, create one in here, create another one, create maybe 2. So I will go to my, maybe we will need just to move this one using arrows, and this one also. So select the second one, select this one, select this one, copy, paste, align to selected level 4 and 5, and say yes. So now I will select one of them, right click, select all instances, visible in view. Select on one window, right click, select all instances, visible in view. Now he selected everything for me. I will just right click again and hide in view, hide elements. So that's it. Now we do have the same, because there is no windows here. Actually, it's all only openings. That's why we just hide them. The same thing will be for this side. The same thing will be for this side. Something for these elements, we can go to level 1, and as you see these little columns at the edge of this floor, I could go to columns. You can see these columns. We do have architectural one, we do have normal column. Let's just choose normal column for now. If you don't have in here circular one, we will go to, maybe let's just see if there is circular one with architecture. Even there is no architecture one. So I will go to insert, load Autodesk family. Go to columns. Guys, there is two things in here. Either columns or structural columns. This one. Okay, be careful. If you use structural columns, it means this one, structure column. Let's say I want to see the circular one. This one, rounded one, and say load. So now if you open column and architecture column, There is no rounded one. Why? Because it's a structural one. Okay. So now I will go to structure one. Now I can see my column. So this is big one. Actually, let's just edit type. B instead of 30, maybe put it like now 10 and say apply. So now this is good. Let's put it in here. Make sure that before placing it, it's height, not depth, height, and from level until level 7, make it. Click one time, go to 3D. Now we can see the column. Just C, O for copy. Copy it one time, copy it two times, copy it three times. And the same thing, DI for dimension. Select the center point, center point, center, and equal. Go to 3D. Now you can see the columns. For stairs, there is a stairs actually inside. You can see it. This little stairs. You could make it, or if you want, you don't have to make it. It's fine. You can go to level 1, go to insert. Where is insert? Load. Bring some human figures from entourage, which is this one. Just bring any human thing. Go to component, place one on level 1, go to level 3 and place another one, go to level 5 and place last one. Open your 3D. Yes, that's fine. We could just enter one of the walls, go to edit type, edit structure. From the material, create a new material. I will right click, rename. Let's say I will call it white. And then from graphic, I will just choose white color, say yes, apply, yes, apply. And choose the floors again. Look, you can see this little floor is not exactly on the floor. There is a little height of it. You could either select this floor and from height offset you could put, for example, 15 or 25 like this, which is okay, maybe good. Or you could select this wall and base offset, maybe let's try 10, sorry, in minus 15 or minus 25. You see, so it's just moved down a bit. The same idea for this one, minus 25. Now it became good. So we could create another floor, FL, and then just draw a little surface in here, just like this. Say okay. And this one should be moved minus 25. So now it's fine. The same idea, I will edit the material of it and choose white material. Okay, apply, okay. And now it became the thing I want. So now you can just click on this one, zoom in a bit, click on GD, click on smooth, shadow, cast, and ambient one. Go to lighting and add 10, 40, 30 and say yes. So this is the thing we are working on. I'm already recording, guys. Okay, I'm already recording. So this one will be now